Welcome back to HARBRO Freight quality videos, lowest prices, and today we haven't done one of these in a while. Is some of the best deals on Amazon, and we even got some Woot and some Walmart. Well, really just one Walmart, but we'll start with the Woot. Everything should be close to its best price that it's been on these sites, with the exception of Walmart, but still good deals. First, we have this Gearwrench 1/4-inch drive. Oh, and then side note, everything will be linked in the description if you're interested. Gearwrench 1/4-inch drive, standard and deep, SAE metric mechanics toolset, 51 piece, 6.75 bucks, showing 58% off. I have ordered off of Woot before, not recently, but I did get some Wiha. No, I got some Wera. I believe it was these. I got some Wera on here, and it was about 75 bucks, so definitely a percentage off of what it should have been. It just took a little bit longer to ship, but not even that long. But Woot is an Amazon company. Just a heads up, you can find some really good deals here. And here's this Gearwrench, 51 piece, 75 bucks, 58% off. We'll try to go through these quickly. Here's a Dewalt socket set, 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drive, SAE and metric, 34 piece for $33. Nice Dewalt tool set. Then we have at Walmart this Fanttik electric screwdriver set with 24 magnetic bits, 3 Newton meter torque, magnetic storage, 5 and 32-second-inch hex repair toolkit for phone, camera, laptop, watch. I don't know, seems pretty handy for, I guess, for electronics. $25.99 was 70 bucks. And Fanttik is pretty legit. Something to consider. No, it's on sale. Next, we have this Wiha 45-piece knife maintenance magnetic workstation tray set. It's $97.20, but it includes a $15 coupon, so gets that down to 82 bucks. And definitely a big fan of Wiha tools. $97.20, 20% off. But again, of course, you get $15 off just by applying this coupon. Next, Craftsman mechanics tool set, metric 3/8-inch drive, 10 piece, 46% off, $14.99 for a mini Craftsman metric ratchet tool set. Full lifetime warranty. We'll keep going. Wiha again. This is the 11-piece insulated TorqueVario-S, 10 to 50 inch pounds and SlimLine blade set. Wiha, of course, very high quality, $152.79, but it is 43% off. Next, we have this Klein Tools KNECT Flip 10 metric impact socket set, deep sockets, 5 colored coded flip sockets, 10 metric socket sizes, 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch adapters. Lowest price in 30 days. Love to see that. 20% off. It's $40. Next, Hultafors work gear deluxe tool backpack, 58 pockets, showing $93.56, which is still a little pricey, but $93.56. But they do have a 20% coupon you can apply, which will essentially take it down to $18, almost $19. So you're getting it for just about $74, $75. High quality deluxe tool backpack. Don't forget to apply the coupon. Next, Felo ErgoMulti VDE pliers, 8-inch size, pistol grip. Felo, if I'm remembering correctly, and it says it there, made in Germany. So high quality German tool, one of their big tool brands. $54.99 ErgoMulti VDE pliers, 8-inch size. Next, Dewalt laser level multi-line green, 30-foot range, one size, 51% off, $265.50. So super pricey, but huge discount. Next, more DeWalt Extreme 12-volt max brushless 1/4-inch ratchet tool only for $120, showing 8% off. Next, DeWalt 12-volt max laser level, again cross-line laser. This is in red. Lowest price in 30 days, showing 30% off at $159.75. Continuing, more DeWalt impact holster pack of 2, $14.98. Essentially, what's that? $7.50 each. Of course, if you have your DeWalt tools or really anything else, but super handy to have these on your side. Quick access makes it so that you can do quick quality work. Next, NEIKO magnetic socket holders. I'm all about storage and organization. 1/4-inch drive, 1/8-inch to 5/8-inch SAE shallow and deep sockets tray. These are magnetic. Standard socket set organizer, socket organizer for toolboxes, scratch-free mounting. And of course, Powerful magnetic base. Makes these super nice to use for storage. They're 40% off. So $13.13. They deliver in one day if you're a Prime. Excellent choice for socket organization, especially from a quality brand like NEIKO. Can't go wrong with these, especially for $13. Next, stall wheel. Wire cutter for cutting cables, brass, copper, and aluminum wire. Stainless steel cutter. Made in Germany. We know that. Stall wheel, $24.76. But you can also apply a 15% coupon, which will get you an extra, about roughly what, $3-4 off. So get these for close to 20 bucks. So high quality pair of wire cutters, scissors made in Germany. Next, Wera Tool Check Plus Imperial 39 piece set and the Wera Belt 4 socket set. So this Check Plus, Tool Check Plus is normally about 75-80 bucks. So that means this socket Wera Belt socket set, it's about $40-45 value. That being said, $124.10 for both in this combination set. Something to consider. Love me some Wera. And here we have some more Wera. Where are you? The Zyklop 8000 1/4-inch drive ratchet, $77.71. Good price for this Wera. Next, Amazon Basics Metal Alphabet and number 36 piece stamp kit with wood case, 4.25 inches, 54% off, $10.49. Comes in handy if you're having to do some customization work or you just like to stamp some keys like they show here in the picture, but a good deal. Next, these have been on sale for maybe the last month-ish, but still is the season. Here we have the Ego self-propelled lawnmower kit, limited time deal, 600 bucks, showing $400 off. We get 2 of the large batteries plus the 21-inch self-propelled mower, of course, for 600 bucks. Similar line, the Ego 56-volt 16-inch cordless string trimmer with the 4 amp hour battery and the charger included. Limited time, this is 300 bucks, so about $140 off. The blower, cordless, brushless leaf blower, 5 amp hour battery and charger as well. Limited time deal for 300 bucks also. Then we have the Amazon Basics 8-piece wood carving chisel set with honing guide, sharpening stone, and storage case, 45% off, $19.17 for a decent wood carving chisel set. Honing guide with honing guide to sharpen your stone and sharpen your skills. Next, we have the Craftsman Versus Stack Mechanics tool set, 1/4-inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2-inch drive, 230 piece. Been on sale for a little bit as well, but still a good deal, 50% off, 99 bucks for this 230 piece set. And then rounding out, we have this Lego Optimus Prime figure set, collectibles, 2-in-1 robot truck model building kits for adults or for children, 20% off. I think I got this about a year-ish ago, maybe 2 years ago. A little bit less than 2 years. I think I paid the full price, which was like $150 or $160 for this, but it's showing 20% off at $143. And then last but not least, we have the Shark Rocket corded stick vacuum with self-cleaning brush roll. Maneuverability, perfect for pet hair pickup, converts to a hand vacuum. Crevice upholstery tools. Love me some Shark, love me some portable vacuums. Limited time deal, 13% off, $129.99. And then something that's in my cart, last purchase September 9th, are these Fujitsu 2100 cycle and nickel metal hydride pre-charged. These are as high quality, if not more quality, probably on par with the Panasonic On-A-Loop back when they used to be the Sanyo On-A-Loop. Same factory that they're made in Japan. So super high quality batteries. I recommend these full-heartedly. And I will leave it at that. Hopefully you find these helpful. Please consider liking and subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.